Hello everyone, it's Jean from Inky Owl Studio. I have finally finished my Grungy Lacy journal, and this is going to be the flip through of it. And if you missed how I constructed the cover, I have some craft along videos that shows how I do or did some of the ephemera. I'm going to go ahead and link a playlist down below that you can catch up on in case you missed that. So all these laces, I would say 90% of them are all vintage lace. And that's what constitutes the cover on here. I have a patchwork of them all. I had done some little bit of slow stitching here and there, just to decorate it up, you know, a little bit. Different types of colors of fibers there. I tried to make, well, I did make the cover monotone. It measures 9 by 6 on the outside. And I also created this really lovely little piece of lace fringe here that can be, it's put in with a pin, so it can be removed and put somewhere else if you would like. But I have on here some antique or some vintage jewelry pieces on here, a little bit of beads. This is not vintage here, the lace isn't, but this lace is. And I've kind of put that together. And so we will get started on the inside. I have a sari silk closure on the side there. And so the first thing I wanted to point out is all these tabs in here that I put in just kind of hangs out and kind of gives that messy, grungy kind of feeling to the journal. And here on the inside is a lace pocket with a journaling card and these lovely photos from a digital from Ruby and Pearl. And that's, I love this one with the lady sitting there on the porch. And this is an authentic old envelope. I'm not sure exactly the year, but it is pretty old. And I put in here a digital photograph of these ladies sitting on the fence there, I think it is. Now I try to kind of put like sort of a fashion theme in here a little bit. And inside this pocket is a little journal that I made, a little mini, or not really a mini journal, but an extra little side journal to put inside here. And it has a fabric spine there, a little bit of muslin. And of course the pocket is cloth and lace. And so we'll get started. This is parchment paper that I have printed on. And here is a page from a replica Sears catalog. Some paper that I've crunched up. I've taken some of this cloth in here and sewed it in with hand stitching. Did some stenciling, some damask stenciling. This is an authentic 1901 ledger piece of paper that I have put inside. Some music paper. Here is the cute little fabric flower we made a few weeks ago or days ago. And here's another vintage envelope. And I think this one does have a date on it. Maybe not. Oh, 1920. And I just have a digital receipt here that I put on tea stain paper and stuck inside there for you. I have this really cute little hat claim, coat claim ticket. Thought that went really nice with that lady's hat, and I really love how that the flower picks up on that flower on that hat. And here's another piece of ephemera that we constructed. I put in some tea stain paper just on the side for additional journaling. And inside, I have this lovely lady. First name is Hattie, and I forgot her last name, but she was an opera singer in Paris, very famous. And it pops out so that you can journal on the back of that. And with a vintage pocket here, or a vintage lace pocket. And I printed on some tracing paper. And here's another one of those really pretty tabs. And some of that aging that we did with dioxide sprays, or not dioxide, but distress ink sprays we did that together. And here is another lovely lady. Just love the fashion of this skirt. So she is inside this little lace doily pocket, page from a old Shakespeare play book. Here's a glassine pocket, and in here I have put these pretty ladies, these fashionable ladies that whoever gets this can use, and then also these little other smaller ladies here, so they can use this to decorate the journal with further if they would like. And inside here then also is this other lovely lady with her beautiful kimono and a journaling card on the back of it. So that goes inside there. And some more stenciling. Did some printing on tea stained paper. And these digitals, I'll list down below where I got these. I think it's Vintage by Me, pretty sure. These fashion ladies. I really like this tracing paper, and it's pretty sturdy. You can definitely write on it. Okay, another large receipt that I typed out, some graph paper. Here's another one of those little mini folios, photo folios, and on here is some places to write. And inside here is this lady, and of course this pops out as well. And we'll just keep going. Here's the other side of that ledger paper. And here is a page topper that we created, and on this side is a small pocket with little pieces of ephemera. I sewed around this, hand stitched around the pocket there. And on the back is some lace, layered lace that sits there on the back of the page, and that can be written on the inside, and that just sits there with a little rusty paper clip. That's the first signature. So there's 104 pages front and back in this journal. And another journaling card and a tag. These fashionable ladies here. Another vintage lace pocket. Another piece of ledger paper. Lace doily. And there's this tracing paper printed. And here is a fold out of a CD case. And inside here is a journaling card, and this pops out here for more places to journal there on the back. And inside here is a tuck spot here on the other side of that. And I have a couple of little journaling opportunities here. Love this little photo. These ladies. A little bit of lace. This is not vintage. And oh, here's a piece of scrap. And another piece of Shakespeare book. More stitching down there. Another lace pocket. And this lady she just loves her new dress. And a little bit of lace there up on the top. Love this beautiful paper here. This is printed on parchment paper, and this is from MyPorchPrints. And here's another page topper with these two ladies walking with her umbrella. And here's a little tiny mini journal I have tucked inside there. And there's this really cute little dangle of a piece of crocheted lace. And on the back, again, there's layers of lace and a journaling opportunity on the inside. Or you can put a photograph there as well. In fact, the CD case, you could put your own photograph in it if you wanted to. And this flips over. Here's another one of those really pretty photos. And this is an old envelope. I believe this is 1944. And I have in here a reproduction receipt, or really kind of a memo, I believe it would be. And that sits in there like so. Another lace pocket. Some more of that grunginess on that paper. More stenciling. And another glassine bag. And I have this tag here, these two fashionable ladies. Another digital receipt stuck inside there. Love that sound. And then in here is a lady with a fashionable hat. She comes out and goes back in. This, I printed this frame on vellum paper and sewed around it here on this tag. And it just sticks right inside there. More of that 1901 ledger paper. Sears reproduction catalog. And you come down to the back, and inside this little lace pocket is this really pretty photo of a wedding. And here is a happy birthday postcard, very old. In fact, you look on here and you say, to Ida from Adrian. Those are names from a different generation for sure. And then in the back here we have, it's like it's caught in something there. We have a large tag with a couple of pockets. And there is some really nice journaling cards there, and this needle chart, a reproduction, but that is a journaling card, and little lace topper, and then of course room on the back is tea stain paper for you to journal on. So that, my friends, is this beautiful grungy lace journal. I'm going to have this listed in my shop, but I hope that all these ideas kind of gave you inspiration for your journaling processes, and what gave you some more ideas. And thank you so much for viewing, and you have a great day. Bye.